All right, I'm going to show you how to make a Google form, a quiz, and use MyMath test to put into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new Google form, which you just go to New and select on Google Form to get one open. And then the first thing you want to do after that is click on Settings and turn it into a quiz. So you want to go over to Quiz and make sure that it's Make This a Quiz. This way it will grade it for you and award points for each problem. So save it as a quiz. There's some other options that you can go through to change some different settings. Feel free to look through those. Okay, so then what you're going to want to do is find the test that you want to use. So you go into McGraw-Hill, under Test, Assessments, and Print Assessments. And then this will show up, and I went to Chapter 5, and I hover over the test name to see what it is. And I recommend opening the answer one. Opening the non-answer one will make it very jumbled on your Chromebook, and it won't work very well. So open up the answer one. So I have that open here. And then I'm going to look at that first problem. It says count by tens. What is the number? So I'm going to go into my Google form, and I'm going to go ahead and type in what I can type in for the question. So you might have to make questions a little bit different depending on what it looks like on the MyMath site. But I'm just going to type count by tens. What is the number? Now I need to take this picture and put it into the Google form. So in order to do that, on your Chromebook, you're going to press these three buttons: Control, Shift, and the little screen guy. Control, Shift, and the screen guy. So you're going to click those when you're on here, and then a little cursor shows up. And I'm going to go ahead, I want to capture this whole thing because I want them to have that 4 tens equals 40. Okay. Notice that it is now a screenshot. I can copy it if I want to paste it into a document, but for the forms, you actually have to look for it. So you go back into the form, and I'm going to attach a picture into the question. That's different than attaching a picture over here. An image here will attach it below the question, but I want to attach it to the question. I'm going to click on that, and you are going to find it in your Google Drive, and it is going to be under Recent. So again, when you insert an image, you go to Google Drive and then Recent. And notice that the screenshot is right there. I'm just going to double click on it, and it will appear in there. So this one was a multiple choice question, so I'm going to make it a multiple choice question for my students as well. You can change it to short answer if you would like. So I'm going to select multiple choice, and their options were 20, 40, and 60. And then, since I created a quiz, it asked me for an answer key. That won't show up if you don't click that Make It a Quiz that we did in the beginning there. I'm going to make this 1 point, and the answer was 40. Done with that, and I'm going to make it required for my students. Okay, if you have any other questions on how to do those, please let me know, and I would just continue to go through the test and make screenshots of what I want and type them in there and continue that way. If you have any other questions, let me know. Have a good day.